political will, political action, and administrative efforts must be invested on reforming the public service into a capability-ready institution that could enable Nigeria's development agenda beyond 2023. All these and more are necessary to correct and not to repeat the sickening and painful show of shame which the elections of 2023 generated into. Let me conclude by stating clearly that I am now too old to keep quiet and watch Nigeria seemingly clueless lurch into a dystopia. All efforts are now required from all well-meaning and committed patriots to rescue the nation from the precipice.